well. My name is Munsar Mohamed, a journalist based in Somali capital, Mogadishu. The reason that I have recorded this clip is that I have been receiving regular threatening calls and messages after I have reported a story relating to a man, Ahmed Mukhtar Salah, from a Somali minority called Somali Bantu, was tortured, stabbed and being burned alive to death, following his nephew had fell in love with a girl from a noble clan. I am threatened to be killed by a group of men as they got angry over the story I have reported that reached millions of people around the world and were strongly condemned by government officials and Somali parliament lawmakers. It is my first time to face such threatening. And finally, I would like to call on Somali Union journalists and whoever can afford to do what my life can be saved. My thanks goes to you. Thank you.